Okay, team, now it's your turn to read Source 2 silently. I'm going to go ahead and activate this timer so you have 5 minutes, and yeah, I am going to give you your 5 minutes to do exactly what I just did. Remember that my expectation is that you're reading the text, reading the text, stopping and synthesizing as you go along. This helps to eliminate having to spend so much time trying to figure out where to find particular information, because if you're reading and processing as you go along, you know exactly where to find the information that is needed in order to answer questions. All right, good luck, y'all. 5 minutes. Here we go. One minute, 23 seconds. Uh-oh. Alright guys, looks like I'm going to have to cut this video short because there's a fire drill after hours in the building. Alright guys. Sorry, I'll continue the video in a second. Hey guys, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and finish up this video. I'm at home and the kids, and it's probably loud behind me. But I wanted you guys to get the latter part of this tutorial. So you want to break down each paragraph and take a look at how paragraph 1 introduces the focus. Paragraph 2 discusses the different reasons bugs bite. Paragraph 3 focuses on mosquitoes and ticks using blood for food. And paragraph 4 summarizes why bug bites are annoying. So now it is important that I went over all of what happens in those paragraphs, and now it's your turn. So I want you to go ahead and do the same thing.
Interior, garage door.
Great job. All right, and now I'm going to quickly fast forward to the answers of the text. So P1 introduces the focus question, describes how mosquitoes bite. P3 focuses on the process to stop the itching, and P4 summarizes what steps should be taken to reduce discomfort. All right, team, here are the answers. I hope that you guys were successful tonight. I'm so sorry that I had to send it in 2 parts, but I hope you guys did a good job. Take a look at the answers, and good luck on tomorrow's assessment. Good night.